COPWATCH, policing the police every single day.
Watch, he's only 12. Witnesses lash out as cops handcuff and taser 12-year-old boy in his back. The same night police shot and killed an unarmed 17-year-old boy for running away. Video showed them allegedly handcuff and taser a 12-year-old boy in the back. By Matt Agarist, June 26, 2018. Pittsburgh, PA. The same night police shot and killed an unarmed child as he ran from a traffic stop last week. They also threw a 12-year-old boy to the ground and repeatedly tasered him. The incident was captured on video and it has the boy's parents and the community outraged. According to Octavia James, the boy's mother, her son's name is Michael James Jr. She says police were walking through their neighborhood that night when Michael James Sr., the boy's father, was drunk and confronted them. She said James Sr. eventually ran in the house. She said her husband tried to close the door but her arm was still in it. Police then kicked down the door and dragged her husband outside and then down the stairs. According to James, her son then ran outside to help his father, who he perceived was being hurt and unlawfully attacked by police. She said he never raised his arm or even threatened police. 4 plainclothes officers came down the street and kicked her door to get in her house after she kept saying, "Wait, wait, wait. There's kids here. There's kids here," the woman who took the video, but did not want police to know her name, said. They actually pulled him out the door, slammed him on the ground and continued to taz him with no shirt, no shoes, just shorts on. I continuously yelled, "He's 12 years old, he's 12 years old." On the video you can hear us screaming, telling the cops, "He's only 12. He's only 12. Why you gotta keep tossing him? He's only 12 years old," she said. Speaking to WTAE News, police say the story unfolded in a similar way, but with a few different details. Pittsburgh police spokesperson Chris Tognery released the following statement detailing the police version of events that night. "This incident is already under review by police, and that review continues. Findings so far include: plainclothes police were patrolling the area when they were approached by a man who grew increasingly angry at the officer's presence in the neighborhood. The man's wife tried to intervene. The man assaulted her. Police attempted to arrest the man. As this was occurring, the man's son emerged from a house and punched the arresting officer in the face. The officer deployed his taser to subdue him. It was later determined that the boy is 12. At the time, the officer only knew that someone had struck him in the face while he was attempting to make an arrest on a male who had assaulted a female. Police did not know he was 12, as he is over 6 feet tall. As stated, this incident is under review. Per policy, Pittsburgh Bureau of Police officers only use force as a last resort, said Tognery. It appears that Tognery hasn't seen the video of the officer shooting a fleeing 17-year-old boy, Antoine Rose Jr. in the back, killing him. At the time, Rose posed no threat to the officers as he was unarmed and running away. However, Michael Rusfeld, who was sworn in with the department on the night he killed Rose, had no problem using deadly force as a first resort. What's more, according to Octavia James, the police handcuffed the boy, put him on his stomach and then tasered him. Backing up her claims is the photo of the taser prong wound in the boy's back. "When they had my son down on the ground, not only was he handcuffed, the one officer's hand was still on the trigger tossing, my son," said James. "The witnesses are saying that my son did not swing at the officer. I'm not saying that my son running out was the right thing to do, because it wasn't. They used way too much excessive force towards my son, and after the fact that they knew and were told that he was 12 years old. This can't keep going on, because who says for the next child, like Antoine Rose, 17 years old, shot in the back by running? A 12-year-old being tossed, What's next?" said James. Below is the video. Spread the love.
That's a little boy. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Oh my God. No, they gotta stop. Come on, man. This is ridiculous, right? No. Oh my God. Yeah, y'all know that was wrong. Hold on, that's a kid. That is a kid. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, they're wrong. All the way wrong. They're wrong. They messed up today. They messed. Here, I need to move my car. Yeah. Wrong. That's a kid. And y'all still got him handcuffed. Yeah, they messed up. They messed up. That's crazy. Yeah, this is ridiculous. That's messed up that they just ran in that lady's house for no apparent reason. No apparent reason. No apparent reason. That's, excuse me, because I'm trying to get this so that they need it. Excuse me. Because he's a baby. Well, I was getting out of my car, so do I need to move my car? Okay. Okay.
He's only 12 years old.
Man. I know. Yep. 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 And that's a kid, a baby. Y'all just do not care. They went in his house. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. He tased them. He tased them for no reason.
Huh? That 12-year-old punched me in the face.
No, he didn't. You was all the way in the back, sir.
Huh?
You were in the back.
Oh, you have it on film? Yeah. Okay, bring it to court.
Yep, I do.
Yeah, I hope you do, because that's only better for me.
That's ridiculous. That's really ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. He ripped my pants and punched me.
A pair of pants, some khakis. Y'all get uniform. Yeah, exactly, and y'all know y'all wrong. She got a lawsuit. She has a lawsuit, a big lawsuit, cause that.
Let's go. Back up some, please.
Oh, now you got your rifle.
Back up. Let's
Okay.
go. We got crime. Back up.
All right, crimes.
Back up.
I'm right here.
Okay.
Can't go no further. I'm right here.
I live right here. Come on, right there.
Now he got his rifle.
Yeah.
For
12-year-old. That's great. Yeah. No more, no nothing. That guy didn't even do nothing. That was wrong. Now y'all supposed to be helping the people, not hurting them. 12 years old did that to that baby.
Yep.
He punched the car.
No, he didn't. You wasn't even there.
Everybody was in there.
And you wasn't there.
But everybody was in a rush like this. He was trying to help his dad and save his
They don't
dad
want to hear
from
that.
attacking him.
They went in somebody's house without papers and everything. They know they raw. Kicked their door in.
Kicking the door without a warrant.
Where did they just take her son? They just took her son off.
A 12-year-old. You're not allowed to do that. Put him in handcuffs and tase him. You was not allowed to do that. This is crazy. I hope y'all police this.
Vessel, they just hit your nephew, tased him and everything.
Tased him and everything, Vester.
Now they got a call. Woo, that's ridiculous. I thought y'all was supposed to protect and serve.
When somebody punches a cop in the face,
Serve.
Police use who may want to retaliate against him physically.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County COPWATCH, and I just wanted you to know that I am using this stuff under fair use. And also remember to like and subscribe this channel. Also too, keep in mind I do not make any money on YouTube. This is 5 hours work a day, you know, fighting for freedom. And you can donate with PayPal and Patreon. I just want you to think about this. If everybody gives to PayPal and Patreon, Patreon is every month. Actually, PayPal you can do every month. I have 12,000 subscribers. If everybody gives, I can quit my regular job and go full-time investigations on Charlotte County and possibly even more and beyond. So just keep that in mind. If everybody helps out, I can go full-time doing this. Thanks.